Hi, my name is Jason with PacStates, and here's the story of one Golf NV. So, as I had just joined the company, I got a call from one of our competitors, or from a gentleman named Dan at Golf NV, referred by one of our competitors, because they couldn't do the job he wanted done, and they couldn't get it done in the time that he wanted, which thankfully I didn't know was not really a possibility. So when you don't know, you don't know. So timetable was, I had, I think, a total of 2 days to get these cables installed, to get these jacks installed, to have phones up and running in time for his launch day on a Friday. So I told my boss I'd committed to doing that. And since I'm new, he didn't fire me right off the bat, but he said, no, let's make this work. This is important, brand new company opening. We want to support that, especially a local boy. So we brought in our whole team, did everything we could, and we made this work for him. This was our most important, and mine. It was my first taste of giving a customer what they asked for, if not more. And of course, as a salesperson, that's what you look for. So it ended up being a great day. I got to see him on his launch day, and surprisingly, he still has a little bit of hair left. I highly recommend Golf MV. Not only is it just a great shop, but if you spend any time with Dan or his employees, you'll understand that they really do care about you, and that you're their primary focus from the time you get there till the time you leave. It's not about the money you spend, it's about whether you leave happy and willing to refer or not.